Okay, alright guys, like I promised, this is a video on how to set your ads that sends people directly to your WhatsApp. And I'll be using this page. So I have my content already published. We have everything ready, starting from our objective, which is to send people directly to our WhatsApp. Then the next thing, which is customer avatar, will have people want to target already. Then the location and their age bracket, we have it already. Then our ad budget, we are going to be using 1,000 per day because we are actually testing. Then the next thing is going to be our, was that last one? It's going to be, yeah, the setup phase. So we are definitely going to get started with the setting right away. Okay, I talked about ad copy and ad creative. Yeah, ad copy is a copy that's supposed to compare people or encourage people to take action on our advert. So everything is ready. It's just to get started with setting up our ads. So how do you get started? This is our business suite. Once you visit Business Manager, you are likely to land here. And if you land here and you are seeing your post, just know that this is not the right place. So all you need to do is just come to this place. If you are using a mobile phone, you definitely come to this place. Or even if it's your laptop, you might land here. So all you need to do is just come to this help at the bottom here, click on it, click on this go to Business Manager, and you would land on the Business Manager homepage interface. So this is it. This is it. It's still loading. Let's give it time to load. All right, so this is it. This is it. So what I'm going to do now is to what? Click on, I'm going to click on Ads Manager so that it will take us directly to our Ads Manager with which we are going to run the ads. So you click on Ads Manager by the left hand side here. All right, you can see this is our ad. Sorry, this is our ad manager interface. This was the last ad we ran about page engagement, and we were able to promote our page and we grew our page followers. It's showing account error because there's no fund on it. So after setting up the ad, I will add fund to it, or I can add the fund before setting up the ad. In any of this, it will still work. So what I'm going to do is to first start with what? Selecting our objective. This is the campaign level. I'll click on this create. But before I do that, I'll off this because the ad is active. If I should add font, it will start running. So I'll just off it. Yes, it's off already. So I can now click on create or duplicate. In a situation whereby you have an objective already up, you just want to do continue with such, but in another format, you can duplicate. Since I mark this, I can click on duplicate, but all I want is not duplication. I want to set this ad from scratch. So I'll click on create. The moment I click on create, I'll be given different objectives to select. For this, we talked about engagement because we want to send people to our WhatsApp. So I'll select engagement, come down to this place and click on continue. So the moment I click on continue, it will take me to the main campaign level. So I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to give it a name. Okay, I'm going to give it a name so that it will aid me knowing what I'm working on. It's going to be message engagement. So you can name it according to what you're advertising so that you can record. So the next thing I'll do is I'll either come to click next at the bottom here, either next at the bottom here, or I will click on ad set to go to the next level, which is the ad set level where we are going to be doing the targeting, the budgeting, and the placement. So here I'm going to select what am I converting this ad for. So where do I want to send people to? I want messaging apps. Remember the last one we did was Facebook page, but this one now is messaging app because we want people to message us directly to our WhatsApp. So I will come down to this place. I'll come down to this place, select the page you want to run ads here. If this is not the page and you have many page, you can click on this edit button, this pen button, and select the page. Then here you select the message app you want to use. If it's Instagram, you leave it on Instagram. If it's Messenger, you leave it on Messenger. But if it is WhatsApp, you leave it on WhatsApp. But before you can use WhatsApp, it has to be business WhatsApp. Yes, it has to be business WhatsApp. There are two types of WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp and business WhatsApp. So let me show you what I mean. This is business WhatsApp that is showing, this business WhatsApp is showing B. This is normal WhatsApp. So if you're using this one, you'll not be able to run ads sending people to your inbox. It must be this one. So this is the one that is currently connected to the page. So now I'm going to deactivate Messenger. I'm going to also deactivate Instagram, because all I want is people to come directly to my WhatsApp. So that is that. I'll come down to this place. I'm not touching anything here. The next thing I'll touch is budget. Since this is on 995, is almost 100, so I'm going to leave it on this 995. Set my uh I'll set the ad to start running tomorrow 5 a.m. Then yes, 5 a.m. tomorrow. 5 a.m. tomorrow. That's when I want the ad to start running. So that's that. I had to use this. I had to use 8 because I'm actually setting it this morning. I'm not supposed to do it to start 8, but I'm supposed to do it to start running the next day, 5 a.m. or 4 a.m. But for the sake of this video, I'm just doing it so that it will start early. All right, so location is what? Nigeria. You can select location based on state. You can select maybe only Lagos, Abuja, or where you want the ad to run. But for the sake of this ad, from our customer avatar, we want to target the whole of Nigeria. I'll still be addressing this location targeting and the rest, and detail targeting. Then age bracket, we want to target the default age, 18 to 65. And our gender is not all genders. We want to target only women. Can you see? Women. So the next thing I will do is select the placement. I'll leave it on this advantage placement so that Facebook will determine where it will show best to our audience. So the next thing is to click on next, or you come to the top of the page here and select add. So I've selected add, which is the ad level. So now this is our ad level. Our page is here, Instagram is here. We want to use existing posts, not create ad, because we want to use multiple photos. If you want to use maybe just a single photo and it's more like a conversion ad or any other ad that will require just one picture, you can use this create ad so that you'll be able to add your headline, a catchy headline here, and also add the image. But since I want to use multiple pictures and this format, this create ad format does not support multiple format picture, I'm going to click on it and select existing post. So that I'll use the post that have been posted on my or published on my page. So as I click on existing post now, I'll be able to select any post that is directly from my page. Now, if you do this, once the ad start running, it is going to be showing on your page. But if you use the initial one, the ad is not going to show on your page except you get notification like comment, likes before you'll be able to see the ad. But if you use this one, it's going to be a post on your page. So it's going to be shown on your page. And it increases this page validation or acceptance. People can see so much engagement on the post and believe that yes, this ad works. So if you are the type that needs multiple pictures, images on your ad, this is what you are supposed to use. So I'll click on select post now and select any post I want to use. This is applicable to Instagram. If you are running Instagram ads and you know that this thing is on Instagram, your content are on Instagram, you can select it and you get started. So now this 3-in-1 set nightwear, body friendly. Let me see. Okay, this is the post I want to use. So I'll just tap on the post. The moment I tap on the post, I'll come down to the bottom here and click continue. So after clicking continue, you can see this is the post and the multiple pictures on it. So they have automatically activated WhatsApp button on the post. So the post now, we have WhatsApp button on it. If I publish this ad, I will not be able to run ad selecting this existing post to Instagram or Messenger because a WhatsApp button have been added to the post. And this is how the advert is going to show in front of your audience. This is how it's going to appear. So ensure that you select the beautiful pictures that will show at the start of the photo so that people will be able to see them and get attracted to, because this contribute as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is come to this place. You can see this post can't be used for ads on Instagram, because ad on Instagram does not support, it does not support multiple pictures except carousel or a single image. So it's not going to show on Instagram. So if you want to use this format, it's not going to work. So the next thing I will do is, the call to action here has been selected to WhatsApp already. But if you are using a different destination, it's going to be different. But since we are sending people to WhatsApp, we need to put it here so that people know where they are coming to. I cannot change it to another thing because we are already using WhatsApp conversation, WhatsApp app. So the next thing I will do is, here you can create a customized message that once they come, that is what they are going to drop. But I don't want it. I just want to publish straight away. We'll discuss more on subsequent classes. So once you are done and you believe everything is okay, you've checked everything is okay, you just click on publish. Once you click on publish, your ad will be reviewed and it will be approved or rejected. Once it's approved, it will start running. Once it's rejected, they'll notify you. So that's that about this video. Hope it's straightforward, and I would be appreciating and expecting that you set up your ad and you start running. So the next thing I'll do now is to go to my I'll go to add fund. I've not added fund. So I will just close this one now. This is the ad. You can see we have two ads now. I'm going to my billing section. So I'll click on these three lines here. I'll click on these three lines, select billing. I'll select billing. I'll Once I select billing, I'll go to my billing section and add funds. You can see there is no fund here. It is 0 naira. So I'm going to click on add funds, then add money to it, and we'll proceed. If you don't know how to add, check on the video on how to add funds, or let me know in the comment section so that I can send you the video.